This Casey is too cold. Still cold. What is this? Ah.
Do you find this happening a lot?
Yeah.
Are you sick and tired of these stupid microwaves?
Yes.
Well, it's time for you to upgrade to the newest product of the DHC. The one and only microwave plate. The microwave plate is a magical product that heats and cools your food.
How does it work?
The microwave plate is a very, very great product. To use this product, you must use the switch found on the bottom of the plate. If you want your food to be hot, you slide the plate towards the hot. If you want your food to be cold, you slide the switch to the cold. If you want your food at just the right temperature, keep it at the normal. When you are turning on or turning off the product, remember to press the power button. Lately, these days, little puppies have been jumping into microwaves, and those microwaves have been ending their lives. Stop this now. Can't take it any longer.
Do you want this puppy to die?
The microwave plate can heat up anything.
Can it heat up my banana?
Yes, it can, Michael. Yes, it can. The microwave plate is very efficient. Almost all the hot or cold air coming from the plate is going directly into the food.
It's so warm.
Although this product is amazing, you must be aware that it can be dangerous.
Oh, cool, a microwave plate. Yes, sir!
Michael! Run! Run! Michael! I'm coming! I'm coming! Michael! No! The microwave plate can be dangerous, as you just saw. This is why precautions have to be made. Cooling padding has been put into the microwave, insulated inside. Unfortunately, we could not put this into the top of the microwave plate because it would affect the final outcome of the temperature. So, we have added this warning on the bottom of the plate to state to not touch the top of the plate when it is in progress, or you will be like Michael. This is the greatest product I've ever brought.
Oh, yes, it is. Oh.